top 5 Linux distros and who they're really for. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by people calling every Linux distro the best, you are not alone. The truth is simpler. There is no single best Linux distribution for everyone. The right choice is the one that matches your hardware, your workflow, and how much you want to tinker. In this video, we are looking at 5 well-known Linux distros and the kind of user each one fits best. Number 1. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is still the easiest place for many people to start. It ships with a slightly modified GNOME desktop, and its release model is built around stability. LTS releases arrive every 2 years and receive 5 years of standard security maintenance, while interim releases land every 6 months with 9 months of support. Ubuntu also ships AppArmor enabled by default, which adds an extra layer of security. That makes Ubuntu a strong choice for beginners, general desktop users, and anyone who wants a familiar, dependable Linux experience with massive community support. Number 2. Fedora. Fedora Workstation is Fedora's official desktop edition, and it uses GNOME as its default environment. Fedora is built for people who like newer software without giving up a polished desktop experience. Fedora's release cycle is fast, and each release is supported for about 13 months. Its official site also highlights developer-friendly tooling and a strong focus on productivity. That makes Fedora a great fit for developers, open-source enthusiasts, and users who want a modern desktop that stays close to the cutting edge. Number 3. Linux Mint. Linux Mint is designed to work out of the box, and its homepage says it is based on Debian and Ubuntu. The Cinnamon edition is the most popular one, and Mint's current release notes show the 22.3 series is supported until April 2029. Mint is especially appealing if you want a traditional desktop layout, a calm learning curve, and a system that gets out of your way. In practical terms, this is the distro I would point most Windows switchers and Linux newcomers toward first. Number 4. Garuda Linux. Garuda is for users who want a louder, faster, more opinionated setup. Its own comparison page describes it as using Arch repositories plus chaotic AUR, with a target audience that wants a strong, out-of-the-box experience and the latest software. The project also documents performance tweaks such as ZRAM, and its wiki emphasizes snapshot recovery with Snapper and BTRFS. That makes Garuda a strong pick for gamers, power users, and Linux enthusiasts who do not mind a rolling release system and occasional maintenance. Number 5. openSUSE. openSUSE is the choice distro on this list. Its main site presents it as a Linux family for desktops, servers, and containers, with multiple flavors, including Leap and Tumbleweed. Leap is the stable option, while Tumbleweed is the rolling release option. openSUSE also offers an installer with KDE, GNOME, and XFCE choices, BTRFS with snapshots, and secure boot support. On top of that, YaST remains one of its defining tools, giving users a powerful graphical way to configure and administer the system. This makes openSUSE a great match for system administrators, home server users, and explorers who want flexibility without jumping between distros later. Closing. So if you want the safest all-rounder, Ubuntu is the easy default. If you want a polished modern desktop with newer software, Fedora stands out. If you want something friendly and familiar, Linux Mint is hard to beat. If you want speed, customization, and a more advanced setup, Garuda is compelling. And if you want a distro with real range and strong administrative tools, openSUSE deserves serious attention.